is your crew.
Back once again with another session of Dubplate Warz Season 2, starting tonight at 10 PM. Make sure you're there, guys. It's going to be wicked. Back to tricks as usual, and we're also announcing the remix competition as well. The people have spoken. They want a remix competition to be announced. What special track lined up for you guys for this remix competition, and can't wait to get cracking on it, guys. Please share this link on your Facebook wall, social media. We want to try and get as many people there for Dubplate Warz tonight as possible. It's going to be lovely, respectful, and back to fun and games as before, man, people. And for those of you who don't know what Dubplate Warz is, it's very simple. Contestants submit their tracks to thebusybscience@gmail.com, and I feature 10 of them, only 10 spaces, limited 10 spaces tonight, where you guys, the viewers, get to vote on who you want to see win the Dubplate Warz. And the Dubplate Warz winner wins a medal under their belt for their skills at making serious dub plates, guys. And it's something you don't want to miss. It's totally exclusive. Looking forward to seeing you guys there. Let's join in and have some fun. Peace out.